Our eyes are like the windows to the world, allowing us to experience the beauty around us. Taking good care of our eyes is crucial for maintaining clear vision and a vibrant life. The pervasive use of smartphones, tablets, and computers has led to a rise in what is commonly known as digital eye strain. Staring at screens for prolonged periods can cause eye discomfort, dryness, blurred vision, and headaches. The constant focus and refocusing required when using digital devices can contribute to eye fatigue. Digital screens emit blue light, a short wavelength, high-energy light that is known to disrupt our sleep-wake cycle and potentially impact eye health. Prolonged exposure to blue light may contribute to digital eye strain and affect our ability to get restful sleep, especially if we use devices before bedtime. When using digital screens, people often blink less frequently, leading to dry eyes. Reduced blinking can contribute to discomfort and irritation. Additionally, spending extended periods immersed in digital content can decrease the frequency of natural breaks, intensifying eye strain. What many might not realize is that our diet plays a significant role in the well-being of our eyes. Certain fruits can contribute to reducing the impact of digital eye strain and related issues caused by the use of smartphones, tablets, and computers. In this detailed exploration, we will unravel the fascinating connection between our eyes and a selection of extraordinary fruits. These fruits aren't just tasty treats, they possess unique qualities that act as guardians for our eyes, shielding them from potential issues, aiding in repair, and contributing to overall improvement. Citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, stand out as nutritional powerhouses rich in vitamin C. This vitamin serves as a powerful antioxidant, acting like a shield that protects our eyes from oxidative stress, a process linked to aging and various eye conditions. By adding citrus fruits to our diet, we not only supply our body with this protective antioxidant but also enhance the overall vitality of our eyes. The combination of vitamin C and other antioxidants found in citrus fruits forms a strong defense against the degenerative processes associated with aging eyes. Beyond their refreshing taste, citrus fruits play a vital role in preventing age-related macular degeneration. This condition targets the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, central vision needed in activities such as reading, driving, and recognizing faces. As the macula deteriorates over time, there is a gradual loss of central vision. Regular consumption of these fruits becomes a flavorful strategy for fortifying our eyes against the challenges of time, underlining their significance in eye care. Berries, especially blueberries, offer more than just delightful flavor, they serve as potent antioxidants, particularly rich in anthocyanins. These compounds play a crucial role in achieving and maintaining visual clarity. Going beyond enhancing vision, anthocyanins have been associated with a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, providing a natural defense against vision impairment in older adults. In the realm of safeguarding vision, antioxidants play the role of superheroes, creating a shield against potential threats to our eyes. Environmental factors and pollutants expose the eyes to free radicals, unstable molecules that can harm delicate eye structures, leading to oxidative stress. Blueberries, with their antioxidant properties, neutralize these free radicals, preventing potential harm to the eye's sensitive tissues. This protective mechanism extends beyond eye health, as antioxidants also contribute to reducing risks associated with conditions like cataracts and other age-related eye disorders. Furthermore, blueberries have the added benefit of reducing inflammation and supporting overall health, including heart health. By incorporating blueberries regularly into our diet, we not only satisfy our taste buds but actively contribute to the long-term health and resilience of our eyes. Now, turning our attention to tropical fruits, one standout star in this category is mango. These fruits offer a dual punch of nutritional benefits, primarily in the form of vitamin A and C. Vitamin A stands out as a champion for eye health, offering strong support for the overall well-being of our eyes. Meanwhile, vitamin C acts as an additional layer of protection, enhancing the fruit's vision-boosting capabilities. Mangoes go beyond being just delicious, they assume a crucial role in safeguarding and revitalizing our vision. The combination of vitamin A and C in mangoes works together to keep our eyes strong and ready for challenges such as exposure to bright lights, screen time, and other factors that can sometimes make our eyes feel tired or uncomfortable. The mix of these vitamins in mangoes isn't just about taste, it helps keep our eyes healthy, making mangoes a good addition to what we eat. Directing our attention to another nutritional powerhouse, avocado. Avocados stand out with their distinctive blend of nutrients that significantly contribute to promoting eye health. This creamy fruit is not only a culinary delight but also a source of a trinity of eye-loving elements, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E. Within avocados, lutein and zeaxanthin take center stage, offering a dynamic duo that plays a vital role in supporting overall eye function and preventing vision issues. These compounds work like powerful helpers for the eyes, taking care of them in many ways. Lutein and zeaxanthin shield the eyes against harmful light and help maintain optimal functioning. Furthermore, the vitamin E in avocados adds an extra layer of support for our eyes. Vitamin E is well known for its antioxidant properties, which protect eye tissues from stress and help maintain their health and vitality. Avocados, with their nutrient-rich composition, are not just a trendy food choice but also a valuable addition to our diet that actively promotes and sustains the well-being of our eyes. Now, let's explore the world of grapes, not just sweet treats but also packed with antioxidants, especially resveratrol. These antioxidants protect and keep your eyes safe from various stressors and maintain their overall well-being. These stressors include things your eyes face every day, like harsh sunlight and pollution. Grapes, with their antioxidants, create a strong defense against these challenges. They also help counteract the strain that comes from staring at screens, which is common in our daily routines. As we age, our eyes can undergo stress too. Grapes, with their antioxidants led by resveratrol, work hard to neutralize the effects of aging on our eyes. This way, grapes not only protect against daily stressors but also help keep your eyes vibrant and strong as the years go by. So, grapes aren't just tasty, they're like a natural bodyguard for your eyes, ready to face the challenges of modern life. Delving into the world of kiwi, this small but mighty fruit stands out due to its impressive vitamin C content, a key player in maintaining optimal eye health. Vitamin C within kiwi contributes significantly to the repair and maintenance of our eyes. This essential nutrient aids in securing our eyes against different stressors, offering a shield that goes beyond its delightful taste. Let's now shift our focus to papaya, a tropical gem that delivers a dual punch of nutritional benefits. Papaya stands out with its rich vitamin A and C content, forming a powerful combination. Vitamin A in papaya actively supports the overall health of our eyes, while vitamin C steps in, adding an extra layer of protection against a variety of potential challenges. It's an active supporter for vision improvement and repair. The dual action of vitamin A and C in papaya works harmoniously to maintain the strength of our eyes, playing a crucial role in repairing any wear and tear that might occur. As we conclude our journey through the colorful world of fruits and eye health, it's clear that each fruit brings its unique set of contributions. From the vitamin C-rich citrus fruits to the eye-protecting antioxidants in berries, the nutrient-packed mangoes, and the versatile avocados, grapes, kiwi, and papaya, each fruit plays a distinctive role in supporting and enhancing our vision. By incorporating a spectrum of fruits into our meals, we provide our eyes with a diverse range of nutrients, ensuring comprehensive care for our vision. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to overlook the connection between what we eat and how our eyes feel. Yet, this journey through fruits highlights the significance of maintaining a holistic approach to eye care through nutrition. A balanced diet, rich in a variety of fruits, becomes a cornerstone in the foundation of our eye health.